Greek and simple. Goodbye summer, hello fall. Summer slipped through our hands, and before we even noticed it, a new season had quickly arrived. Yet the memories remain, carved in our hearts, glowing like the sunset we cherish. One of the highlights of this summer was riding that little boat across the water, feeling free and alive. And while those moments are still fresh, I'm bringing the taste of Greece back into my kitchen with a simple, delicious recipe: French toast with a Greek twist. I always bake our bread fresh every week. The recipe is linked below so you can try it too. I slice the loaf into thick pieces. Whisk eggs with just a touch of salt and pepper. And dip the bread until it soaks in the mixture. In a skillet over medium heat, with a drizzle of olive oil, I toast the slices until they turn perfectly golden and crisp. Then comes the Greek touch. Serving them with peppery arugula, juicy tomatoes, creamy feta cheese, and a sprinkle of oregano, and of course a generous pour of Greek extra virgin olive oil. It's fresh, hearty, and full of sunshine, just like summer itself. I could eat them all. Goodbye summer. I hope you like my videos, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. All my recipes go to greekandsimple.com. Until we meet again, one last magical Greek sunset to remember you by. Thank you for watching. See you next time.